I'm Bradley Haselmeyer, and we're here to take a look at the 2017 Honda CRV. It's got these wing LEDs when you turn the lights on. Dual exhaust. It's a very kind of powerful look.
190 horsepower, 1.5 liter turbocharged engine makes its debut for CRV.
Even with my hands completely free, still closes. How about that move? Hey, I'm Bradley Haselmeyer, and we're here to take a look at the 2017 CRV. Honda totally redesigned everything on the inside, from the materials to what you see. The display audio system is all new.
With the volume knob.
Yes, volume knob is back.
Look at that, volume knob is back.
This is more legroom than I got on the airplane over here.
It is, yeah. It's almost like a first class ticket, right?
Yeah. Yes, dual USB charge ports, and they're 2.5 amp, which means you can charge up your iPad or your phone really quickly. Gotta love that.